what happened, right? Is Ethan coming down or what? Huh? We gotta go up this way.
Up?
Yeah.
It's like in the game. Look, Daddy, it's like in the game, the tall grass where you can find Pokemon.
I don't think there's any Pokemon in there though, bud. Don't go in there either.
I'm gonna go get that rock. Never mind.
Don't fall in the water. Wesley, see? That's what. Don't be jumping. Ay, ay, ay. Whew. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Gonna take a break?
Yeah.
Here, we're almost there. Let's go take a break over there. Cool. Hey Ethan, don't run, don't run. We found it. High five. Hey, good exploring, Wes. We found it. This guy's looking for rocks. Uh-oh! Ethan, woo! Okay, Wesley, don't fall in the water, okay?
Look, I found another raft ride. I found another raft
All right, good job, good job.
Go on.